waiting room first and then. Please place yourself on mute until I call your matter. Good morning, Mr. Dixon. How are you doing?
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Ron, how are you?
How you doing, John? How you doing, Paul?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Georgie White. Unmute yourself for me, okay? It's Gregory. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the Peach versus Gregory Marion White. This is ticket SP 1401862. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name, sir?
You, Mr. White.
White, is it? Oh, is it Makia White?
No, it's
Yes.
Gregory White.
Yeah.
Gregory White.
Ms. Wilson, I want to lay down too, but I can't. I had to come to work this morning. So I'm gonna need you not to lie down for court, okay? Unless you're not feeling well, then you can turn your camera off until it's time, okay? All right. Yeah. Do you know what we're doing on Mr. White, Attorney Faulkner? Okay. Okay.
Gregory White, what? They gave him an offer now.
Mr. White, do you remember what you were gonna do today with these tickets? Did you have compliance documents?
Not right now.
So what were you gonna do? Were you gonna do improper plates?
Not guilty.
Huh?
Come again?
I said, what did you decide that y'all were gonna do? Do you remember?
Yeah, he said a new trial date, and I was not guilty.
So you
That is
said really
correct.
not guilty. Do you want a bench trial or a pre-trial?
Question of bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay. Please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of November 15th. November 15th, and I know they're far away, because you can imagine how many folks I have at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Makia White.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
And
morning.
that retained, Your Honor?
No, I think Attorney Faulkner
Steve-
did it.
There's an Attorney Stevenson listed on the docket. CCW.
Did you ever retain counsel?
Yes,
Where's your
I spoke
counsel
with
at?
one.
I know, but you're supposed to have retained counsel. Where's your retained counsel at?
He was on
Do you
here.
know?
He was on here and he was connecting me.
All right, I'll wait. I'll put yourself back on mute. Jamal Young.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamal Young. This is ticket SP 977-258. Count 1 failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2 improper plate. Count 3 unregistered vote. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name.
Jamal Young.
Thank you. Your Honor, these matters are set for trial. We know Officer Vickers won't be here, and I move to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right, at this time, it is 10:20 a.m. No officer being present. The court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. All right, sir, you're all set for today.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. Ronald Wilkerson.
Hello,
Hello. Now calling the matter of people versus Ronald Irvin Wilkerson. This is ticket number SP 1464268. Count 1 failure to tarp low. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. And your name, sir?
You forgot? You gotta say.
Your name,
Oh,
no,
my
you
name
need to
Ron.
say it for the record, okay?
Oh,
Yep.
Ronald Wilkerson.
Okay, thank you, sir. Counsel?
Your Honor, there's a 3-month delayed sentence offer. And he accepts that.
Okay. Mr. Wilkerson, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
well, I talked to one the last time when I came here, and he said, what did he say? I forgot. But I know the police told me that if I didn't get no another ticket, that they were going to dismiss it. The guy that gave me the ticket, but I don't do that much. See, I was there doing a person a favor, and I had some stuff in the back of my truck, and he said pulled me over. I don't even drive the truck no more. I bought another car. Whatever it be, I don't know. But I don't drive it. I don't drive the truck no more. So,
Mr. Wilkerson, I need you to listen to my questions, okay? Because you're not answering it. You just gave me a dissertation about what took place, which I appreciate. And it sounds like you did exactly what they said you did on this ticket. But now I have to ask you about some advice or rights. And I'll get to a point where I'll ask you about this stuff, okay? But you already admitted, but I have to do some steps before that, okay? So I just need you to answer my questions, yes or no, okay? Did you have a chance? Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything outside of it being a 3-month delayed sentence, which means it'll be dismissed at the end of that time if you don't get any new tickets in exchange for this plea today? You understand that?
yes,
Okay. I pleading guilty of your own choice.
yes,
I pleading guilty because you are guilty.
yeah,
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
yeah,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
yes.
It's not you. I want to take you back to the date of May 24th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of McLean and Duncan Streets in the city of Detroit?
Fine.
Cullen, I'm sorry,
McCullen.
McCullen. Duncan Street.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Why you
Yes.
were driving that vehicle? Did you fail to properly tarp something that was in the truck bed?
I didn't think I needed it, but
Okay, the question wasn't whether you needed it. The question was, did you fail to tarp?
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. Satisfied, counsel, Attorney Bachman, can you just step in for a minute? Attorney.
I'm
Bachman.
satisfied with factual basis. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. The court is satisfied as well. The court's gonna accept the plea to the amended charge, to the charge of failed to tarp a load. This is once again on a 3-month delayed sentence. That means no new tickets in the next 3 months, and this will be dismissed, okay? I still charge a fine, okay? That's because it's dangerous. I was on the freeway and somebody didn't properly tarp their load and a chair flew off into the middle of the freeway. That's why it's important to tarp stuff, to put stuff over it, even if you're going a short distance, because then when it falls into the middle of the street, now I got to play Russian roulette with my life and decide whether I'm gonna roll over it and damage my car completely, or whether I'm gonna swerve and accidentally or go into somebody else. That's why it's important, Mr. Wilkerson, that we tarp stuff, okay? All right, so this is on the 3-month delayed sentence. That's December the 6th, 2023. All right, my fine is $200, sir. Okay, but you have 3 months to pay it, okay?
Okay.
All right,
All right, so I owe you $200.
that's right.
Oh, the court. Okay.
You owe the court $200, but you have 3 months to pay it. And then once you do that, it'll be dismissed, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. All right. There's nothing further.
Good.
You're all set, okay?
Good. So I gotta have surgery next week.
You got surgery next week?
Yeah. Yeah, so, okay.
That means you can't work? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
No, I gotta turn it down. If I don't pay it, I might not
Just
be
stay out
here.
of trouble for the next 3 months, okay? I'm gonna put your fine at $0. You have to come back on December 6th, 2023. If you have any new tickets, then I'm not going to dismiss this, but as long as you have no new tickets, I'll dismiss it, okay?
So that means then I'm gonna have to pay the 200?
No, because you got all these excuses about why you didn't know I couldn't do all this. I don't have this morning in me, okay? All right, Mr. Wilkerson.
Okay.
I can't go back and forth. You should know the law. So that means if you get another ticket between now and then, I know that you were just playing me silly.
No,
And I'm gonna
I'm not
Okay.
even driving it, so I won't be driving that one. Yeah.
Good luck to you with your surgery. I hope that everything goes well, okay?
All right, okay, you have a good day.
You too. Have a good day.
Okay.
Was that Ronald Wilkinson?
Uh-huh.
Yes, Attorney Faulkner. I called it while you were still in the room.
I try.
I know you did. Katrina Wade.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Katrina Ashley Wade. This is ticket SP 1378492. Count 1, driver's license never required. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Wade, please state your name.
Katrina Wade.
Judge, the defendant needs a little more time to come into compliance. Can she come back for another pretrial?
Yes. Ma'am, I'm gonna set your pretrial date on October 30th. October 30th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes. Thank you.
All right. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too. Renee Wilson,
I couldn't find it on the.
Yes, ma'am.
now calling the matter.
She's from
of the people
yesterday.
versus- Oh, she's from yesterday, okay.
Right.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Renee Monique Wilson. This is ticket SP 1442768. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, please state your name.
Renee Monique Wilson.
Judge. The defendant's going to waive her right to any further hearings. She's going to plead guilty to the improper plate. She's otherwise been advised and is ready to make a factual basis.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty of your own choice.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you are guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of March 16th of 2023. At that time, did you own a Dodge vehicle?
Yes and no. What happened? I got rid of it 2 years ago when I became unable to drive anymore. I'm handicapped now. I'm on a walker and a wheelchair. But the person I sold it to had never changed it over.
And that's your fault, Ms.
And
Wilson. Do you hear me? And
I know.
that's your responsibility, okay? So we come into court and we tell people, oh, I didn't do this, but I gave it to someone else. And then when they don't do what they're supposed to do, you know who it comes back to when they run into the Secretary of State? It comes back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Every single time, okay? It comes back, right? So you gotta make sure that you do that and you go down there and you switch it over. You cannot count on people to do that. So this vehicle that you owned didn't have insurance on it, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And council stipulate that it was being driven in the area of Schaefer and Grand River in the city of Detroit.
That is,
Yes,
yes, Your
Honor.
Honor, satisfied.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge.
So
of
stipulated.
improper plea. Thank you.
Yes, so stipulated.
Y'all killing me today. Y'all gotta find some team matters on this. I'm gonna dismiss without prejudice, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The other count, I will amend to improper place. This is your freebie, ma'am. I'm not gonna charge you any fine,
Yes.
but you need to change out that license, because if you come back in here again talking about this person is driving my vehicle and I gave it to him a while ago, that's not gonna float. I'm gonna give you a fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. All right. Kathy Wakefield,
Yes, good morning.
good morning, ma'am. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kathy Wakefield.
Oh, yeah,
This
good.
is-
I know, but those people, I'm not listening.
Y'all interrupted my court hearing. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kathy and Wakefield. This is ticket SP 1464405, one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Kathy Wakefield.
The defendant is going to waive any right to a further hearing or trial. She's going to plead guilty here today. The recommendation is for a 90-day delayed sentence. The defendant understands what that means and is ready to give a factual basis, Your Honor.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, if you can't eat in court, I can see you. Stop eating in court or turn off your camera, please. All right. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange
No,
for a plea
ma'am.
today?
No,
Are you
ma'am.
pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're gonna
Yes,
give up the
ma'am.
rights that you're gonna give up the rights you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am. I want to take you back to the date of May 24th, 2023. At that time, did you own a Chevy vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive that vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And council stipulate that it's in the area of Hubble and Finkel in the city of Detroit.
So
Correct, ma'am.
stipulated, Your Honor, and I'm satisfied with the factual basis. Stipulate the probable cause for any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Why you let your son drive your car when he didn't have a license?
My sister-in-law had to be rushed into emergency that day, and she had to go get he went to go get the other sister to take her to the hospital because she had to sign paperwork and everything else for her to get rush surgery. That's the only reason why I allowed him to use my car, ma'am. I can't hear you.
He should have drove straight to, I said, you can't be doing that, picking up people. You gotta go straight to the hospital and then back in.
Correct.
You can't go on to pick up people and do all this stuff, even though you valid as an emergency, it's not.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll see you
Pretty good.
December 6th, 2023. I'll waive your cost this time. Don't let it happen again. You gotta come back to court though, so I can dismiss it, okay? No new
Thank
ticket.
you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. One second, give me 1 second. Officer Reeves, you can go ahead and go. I'm gonna go in and tell all the other officers that they can leave as well. They never showed up, okay?
All right,
Here,
Your Honor, thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You have a good day too.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Wakefield, okay? Come back and see me on December 6th to get a dismissal. No new tickets, okay?
Correct.
All right, I'll see you then, ma'am. Officers? All right. Ms. Wilder wants to talk to you again, Attorney Baldwin. Is that right, Ms. Wilder? You still wanted to talk to him again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put her back into a breakout room. She also has 2 additional tickets. Is that her? Ms. Waller, no, that's Mr. Williams. Okay. All right, I'll put her back to room 11. That's where she was. Oh,
Judge,
no.
I don't think there's a need. She just, she sent me by text. We're ready for you to call the case.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Sarah Waller. This is ticket number SP 1464903. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you please state your name, Ms. Waller? Ms. Waller, state your name. Sarah Waller, can you hear? State your name.
Really?
Yeah.
That's Sarah Waller.
Can you hear me?
No,
A little
we can hear
better.
you now.
One more time, your name, please.
Ms. White, I really don't want to see your TV. I don't want to see Madlock right now. Can you turn it, Ms. White? I don't know what's wrong with Ms. Waller's phone.
Can y'all?
Ms. Waller, state your name.
Sarah Waller.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant is asking for some time to come back and compliance. She'll have registration and insurance when she comes back. If you just give her next action date, please.
All right, you can come back on October 30th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good rest of your day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Majab Ahmad Zarur.
Yes, Ms. Allen.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Majab Zarur. This is
Yes.
ticket number SP 1464783, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1464782, count 1, prohibited left turn. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative from the
Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Jed Zayor.
Okay. All right, how are
What's
we
it?
proceeding, counsel?
What's his name?
Judge Zarur.
That's Z-A-I-O-U-R?
Correct.
Zaiour. Mhm.
Okay. I know he's got the insurance and registration. The matter of the pro left turn.
Does that offer blockading?
I didn't see one, but I'll take it.
Okay. Blockading is a non-point, non-extractable offense. It's for the prohibited left turn, sir. Would you like to take advantage of that today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Counsel, do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket in order to establish a factual basis?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. The remaining counts will be dismissed today because of compliance. Sir, the fine for blockading is $190. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. Is that gonna be enough time for you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Can I pay it right now?
Can you give us just a moment to put it into the computer system, then you can pay it, okay? So that way
All right.
we can
I
make sure
thank
we
you.
have it in there, okay? But it's no points, okay?
Thanks a lot, man. God bless you. Thank
You're
you.
very welcome, okay? Thank you for coming into compliance, and make sure you always have everything in your vehicle up to date and don't make bad turns.
All right. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, man. God bless you all.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Has someone spoke to Enrico Rich yet? He keeps asking for help. He's in room number 4.
I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
He's pleading not guilty so far, Harry.
Okay. I'll get him out.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor, Corporal Baker here.
Yeah.
Did
Yes.
Carlotta Williams show up?
No, and I just went into the room to tell all the officers y'all could go. That's probably why you came out here. You're trying to figure out where everybody went. I told
Yes,
all the
I'm sorry, I
officers
went to the
they could
bathroom.
leave. None of
All
the
right,
people
thank-
checked in. You're welcome.
Thank
Be
you,
careful out there.
You too, ma'am.
All right. What about Marion Williams? He has a trial coming up, but he also has some stuff on the docket.
What's his first name?
Marion. Ms. White, have you spoken to your attorney, Mr. Stevenson, or no?
The attorney that I've spoken to, he's been helping everyone else.
Okay, I know on the list, it says that you have retained counsel. That's why I'm asking. You don't have retained counsel anymore?
No, ma'am, I have the counsel that you guys provided.
Okay, all right, when he comes back, I'll let him do it then.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Teresa Walker?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Teresa Marie Walker. This is ticket SP 1464489. Count 1 drove while license not valid. Also calling ticket SP 1464484. Count 1 expired plates. Count 2 no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Teresa Walker.
Your Honor, there's an offer my client would plead to the reduced charge of failure to display of operator's license. The rest will be dismissed.
If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
I pleaded guilty because you are guilty.
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of May 25th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Dickerson and Southampton Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving this vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
They were not.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts is dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining 2 tickets will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
I'll make it due no later than November 6th, okay? November 6th.
Okay, do I just take it straight to 36th District Court and pay it?
Yeah, just go to 36th District Court and you can just bring your ID and they'll be able to look up your ticket in the system, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Walker. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
No problem. Mr. Welch, what are you doing? I can see you.
I'm sorry.
I'm just waiting. You're all set, Ms. Walker.
Thank you, hon.
You're welcome, ma'am.
So am I just to click out of it, hon?
Yeah, you need me to let you go, Ms. Walker? You sitting there like, hello, I'll remove you, okay?
Pretty.
You're welcome. All right. Makia White, I'm gonna do your matter, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Now calling the matter of the people versus Makia White. This is ticket SX 4150343. This is 1 count of CCW, carrying a concealed weapon, blood alcohol level 0.08 to 0.09. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, Ms. White. Please state your name, please.
Makia Detrice.
Judge, there's a genuine and material issue of fact such that we need a trial date. The defendant is willing to waive her right to a jury trial here and now and wants to appear at a bench trial by Zoom, please.
Okay. All right, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm just trying to find out. They returned one of your tickets. I don't want you to get caught up and then you have, because it was an assault and battery on the ticket too, but that's not in our system. And so I just want to make, it says it was returned and it's not in our system. I just want to see how long ago they did this. Okay. So it's 12/1/27. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna set it for the day of November 15th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 in this particular matter. And they never contacted you about count 2. I just don't want it to be lingering out there. It's not in our system. I just want to make sure. Okay.
Well, and that's supposed to got charged with the assault.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that, Ms. White. Okay. So it's just the first count, right?
It was just that one.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right. So I'll see you on that date for that particular ticket and the officer will have to appear. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Have a blessed one.
You too. Thank you for your patience this morning too. So when it says that it's a retained counsel, we have to see. So it may have been from a while ago.
Yeah,
don't worry about it.
I did.
Okay.
You the second judge. I done seen Miss Elizabeth judge her for 4 times. So you the second judge.
Okay.
You have a blessed one. Thank you again.
You too. Thank you, Ms. White.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right. Can you, get her phone number for me? I need her to call Attorney Goldman. Attorney Goldman, can you put your phone number in the chat for me, please? To have this woman call you, and Officer Hill is here too as well. That's the officer on the case. I'll send you the one I am. Tell it. Turn. Tell her to give him a call, and then I'll have her physically come into the courtroom to do the hearing. All right. All right. Elrico Welch.
Go.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Elrico Laquan Welch. This is ticket SP 1471385, count 1. Loader in a place of illegal occupation with intent to engage. Count 2, possession of drug paraphernalia prohibited. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Welch, please state your name for the record.
Elrico Welch.
Judge, there is a genuine issue of fact that needs to be resolved at a trial. Please know the defendant is ready to waive his right to a jury trial and wants to appear at a bench trial by Zoom, please.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I have.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. I want to set this for the date of November 15th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
Via Zoom, okay? I'll see you then.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. Jacardo Williams.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm here.
Did you get everything fixed?
Huh?
You got everything fixed? You got your license together and everything?
Yes, I sent it to the attorney.
And then you got your plate registered now?
Hello, are you there?
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, give me 1 second. I just want to run and make sure. Way to go, Mr. Williams. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jacardo Williams. This is ticket number SP 1444225, count 1, violation of restricted license, count 2, registration and or plate violation. Ticket number SP 1432292, count 1, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate, count 2, violation of restricted license, count 3, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Williams, please state your name.
Jacardo Williams.
Thank you. Judge, I'm really pleased to know that this young man has valid license, registration, and insurance. I've seen all of those documents, and we've had it confirmed by the court personnel that they are current and valid. I've already spoken to Miss Schneider Corporation Counsel, and she's agreed to dismiss all of the instant cases. I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation and thank the prosecutor and you, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Williams, I know you're young and you want to do stuff like go to parties, but now you have a full valid license, so you can do those things. But it's important that you follow those rules even when you don't, so that way you don't get into trouble. You hear me, Mr. Williams? Unmute
Yeah,
yourself.
I hear you.
Okay. So you can't do that, but okay, keep your everything up to date valid with your vehicle, please, especially if you want to drive a fancy vehicle.
Okay, I got you.
All right, Mr. Williams.
They
Good
just
luck
be
to you.
bullying me because of my vehicle. That's what it be, and it got tents on it.
I
They
know,
messy.
and you have a high-end vehicle, so you have to be mindful when you make those decisions to purchase certain vehicles. I'm not saying that it's right. I'm not saying that's what it is, but when you make those decisions, you have to be ready for what comes with it, okay, Mr. And you're young, because I saw how old you were. So you're up here riding around. Oh, that means you got a good job, Mr. Williams. All right, that's enough
Yeah.
fussing for today. Thank you for having a valid license, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. Marion Williams?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Amarion DeAndre Jermaine Williams Jr. This is ticket SP 1461427. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you, sir, Mr. Williams, state your name?
Marion Williams.
Judge, the defendant's going to waive his right to any further hearings. He's going to plead, I think it's responsible. That's a civil infraction. So he'll be pleading responsible to impeding.
All right, you stipulate to the four corners of the document in order to establish a factual basis.
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I stipulate the probable cause for the matters being dismissed. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge blockading on count 2. Count 1 will be dismissed. So the fine for that is $190. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to have it due on, let's see, September 20th, 2023. Mr. Williams, when do you come back for your bench trial in front of me?
September 20th.
Okay, don't forget, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you September 20th for your bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, see you then, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Sheila Woodley? Yes. All right, come on, ma'am. Come on up here. Thank you for your patience this morning. All right. So you see that green box? So I'm gonna have her stand a little closer because that green box is on the wall. Thank you. And I can tell she has a light voice. All right, face the wall. I know it's gonna be odd that I'm talking behind your back, but just face the wall, okay? Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Sheila Patrice Woodley. This is ticket SP 1424941. This is 1 count drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket SP 1424930. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling Z ticket 779911. This is 1 count of disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name loud and clear, ma'am?
Sheila Patrice Woodley.
I also have Officer Hill in the courtroom too. You can't see him, Attorney Bachman, but Officer Hill is present. Can you state your name for the record, please, sir?
Officer Anthony Hill, badge 4598, City of Detroit, 10th Precinct.
Thank you, officer. All right, how are we proceeding today, counsel?
So, Judge, as to those matters set for trial today, the defendant will waive her right to any trial. She's going to plead guilty to failure to display. The balance of those counts will be dismissed here. We're going to thank the good officer for his appearance, and the defendant is ready to make a factual basis to that count. I heard you say disorderly conduct, Judge. Can we set that for a next action date, please?
thought it was supposed to be today too. It's not on the docket.
If it's for today and it's set for trial, I move to dismiss it. Let me look that up.
Let me check though. I thought we had put all her matters today.
Yeah, we did.
So, oh. Let me check someplace else. Was your last name McIntyre before?
Yeah. I don't know what I did.
Like, it was supposed to be today. Where happened? Let me ask my clerk real quick. Miss Young.
That's why I'm down here.
I know. It's from 2006, so I'm gonna just move forward at this point in time. I'll make it as a part of the plea, okay? All right,
Yeah.
ma'am, please raise your right hand, your other.
I
No, you got your right hand. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm so used to people facing me and mirroring me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney, that would have been Mr. Baughman, on the phone about your case and about your rights?
No.
You ain't talked to Mr. Baughman on the phone?
Yeah.
Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that? Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date on or about January 19th of this year, 2023. Ma'am, were you driving a Buick vehicle in the
Yes.
area of Grand River and Rivera Streets in the city of
Mhm.
Detroit? Rivera. And while you were in that area, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
You gotta say it loud for them.
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed as a part of this plea. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Today.
You can pay it today? Okay, all right. All right. I'm gonna give you 30 days just in case, okay? So that's
Okay, where do I
October.
pay it at?
On the first floor. So give us a second. We gotta put it to the
200.
computer system. $200.
Okay, today.
Today. Okay, all right. We're gonna put it into the computer system for you. But if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, that concludes this hearing.